Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 8th, 2021. We're here to give you all a price prediction update in the market for Churchill Capital. Before I go into all of that, I always want to remind you, if you all appreciate our videos and our content, before you head out, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. We would recommend that you would tap that bell notification as well, because I'm telling you, you do not want to miss out on any of our price predictions that we are garnering here in the market for us all to win from the traps anticipated price movement. So now we're going to talk about Churchill Capital, but first I wanted to show you all the current position of our two options that we got on going into the market right now. You guys can see we still have 22 days left in our put option that we bought, and currently we're down $99 there. And then right here for our call option that we purchased, one contract of expires in 43 days, we're down $125 there. All right, so we still got a little bit more time decay to go on into the market, so we're really not going to exit out the positions right now. Real quick, you guys can see on the chart for those stocks, here's Rite Aid, that we played a weakness to the downside in Rite Aid there, and right now we're still seeing some indications of market strength. Okay, still got 22 days left. So the market still has time to move to the downside to give us the juices that we need in order to grab profits out of that option. And here is the market for Sealed Air. We're playing the strength on this particular market as well. As you all can see, yeah, we're finding some restriction coming through around $47, $48 right now. But again, we still have 43 days right before this option expires. So we got enough time to continue to watch the market, see if we're going to regain some strength and actually continue to see this market go higher in price for Sealed Air. Now, let's break down CCIV real quick as to why CCIV is about to fall 12%. Make sure you all check this out. We're going to talk about that real quick. And as you can see on our last price prediction, which was on March the 31st, 2021, we played a strength to the market, and generally, for the most part, you guys can see over the last 5 trading days, yes, the market has been elevated, but it hasn't been substantial to the point to where we're able to tag out all the way up here around $27.50. We're finding some restriction right here, and this is the problem right here in the market for CCIV. Okay, $25.22 is holding back the market from breaking up in price. So if you wasn't able to come in and bag out that profit there right here on the April the 6th, you might have missed out. That was about 7.5% profitability in the market in CCIV on that particular day. So what we need to do is that we need to reevaluate really how strong is this market in CCIV, because that area, $26 is restriction, right? And support is here at $21. So we got a very tight trading channel going on in the market for CCIV, right? You can see it. Look how tight that area is. And it lets us know whether or not we're seeing the market come in and buy, or are we seeing more people come into the market and selling their CCIV stock into the market. Now, let me look at this on a 2-day time frame. And this one here pretty much gives me more indication that the market in CCIV is weak, right? We have 9 hours and 15 minutes left before this current 2-day price bar ends. And we still have enough room to drop in CCIV back down to $21 or $21.25. That price is still on the table to see this market in CCIV drop 12%. And on the 3-day time frame, definitely gives me more indication that generally this market is still weak in CCIV. Now, I know you may not want to hear that, because many people think the market can only go one direction, and that's higher. But looking at CCIV, the last couple of 3-day price bars, it is not hinting that it's ready to go higher yet. And we got to recognize that. We got to be real with ourselves and understand that everything in the market doesn't always go up. And CCIV is actually displaying that right now. What about on the 5-day time frame? Even here on the 5-day time frame, the market here in CCIV had opportunity to see this market break out up above $25 at least on this current 5-day price bar, but we wasn't able to do it. So what I'm seeing right now in the market in CCIV, if anything, is that we're going to come back down to the support area around $21, if anything. Now, if the overall market weakness continues, we're not going to hold support at $21 anymore. We can see the market drop all the way back down to $17.60. I think I even talked about that in the long run into the market for CCIV. Okay. Yeah, I'm still seeing the weakness into the market in CCIV right now. On all of these time frames, the market is still hinting that it's weak for the most part. And looking at this on an hourly basis, I'm still seeing the market in CCIV exhibiting weakness here. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to play the weakness. Initially, we will come in and TP out the market around $22 and then no lower than 21. All right, so let me see this. So we said around 22, we'll come in and skim off some profit there, which is 3 3/4% profitability. Down to 21 is about 7.5. No lower than that 12%, which is right here on the lows that came in on March the 5th, as well as on January the 28th. All right. That's where that 12% is coming in at. So we're playing a weakness. We're still seeing it. The overall environment in CCIV has not changed yet. Restriction currently is up here around $25. Okay. And this is how we're going to play the next couple of days in CCIV. Now, again, we can see the market drop a lot lower than what we're seeing, but we got initial area TP around 22 to 21, all the way back down to around $20 overall. And again, when I look at this on a different time frame, further out time frame, the weakness is still here. Now it's your turn. I mean, what do you all expect to see into the market in CCIV? Do you expect the market to drop? Do you expect the market to continue to trade sideways? Or do you expect this market to continue to break out or continue to increase in price? Drop the comment in the comment section below and let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.